Hello beautiful mamas, my name is Neat from Siberian Mama, and today I thought I'd bring you along as I make a new batch of my all natural essential oil bug repellents. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so today I'm going to be making up 15 mils of the bug off, and I'm going to do it in this amber bottle to help keep the potency of essential oils for longer. And using a funnel so I don't make a big mess, I'm going to add 3 drops of lavender essential oil and 3 drops of eucalyptus oil, 3 drops of peppermint oil, 1 drop of rose geranium oil. Now geranium oil will probably be better, but I only had rose geranium, and 3 drops of lemon essential oil, 1 drop of clove oil. Now clove oil is very effective for getting rid of bugs, but it is quite strong. And now I'm going to top it up with some grapeseed oil, and there we go. That's all that's in this really simple, easy to make, all natural bug repellent or bug off oil. I'm just going to pop this little cap in here so that it comes out 1 drop at a time and not all at once, and pop the lid on. And it's just a good idea to give it a quick little mix before you use it each time. And all you'll need is just a couple of drops on the wrists and a little bit up your neck maybe. You could even put it on your clothes, and it should keep you bug free all summer long. Thanks so much for hanging around. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. This recipe is perfect for both repelling bugs, things like mosquitoes, ticks, sandflies if you're in Russia, mosquito, all those annoying summer bugs, but it's also good for healing little bites afterwards. I don't know about you, but having children, having a good all-natural bug repellent is a must for me. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you have any other essential oil mixes that you find work super good for bugs. I am always out to learn, and I'm sure us other mamas in our mum community all want to learn from each other, so please leave them down in the comments. Also share this video with your friends if you think that it will benefit them in some way. My Instagram is _Siberian Mama. I'd love to see you over there. I share more mum organization, mum all natural tips and hacks there. I'll pop it up on the screen over here. Also, I am the founder and creator of the Mama Planner. If you are interested in a fantastic planner, do check out my shop, which I shall pop right up here. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye!